Good morning, people. This is day 6, and today we are heading to Murdeshwar from Gokarna. Right now, the time is almost 4 o'clock. I'll not be able to record it much because it is pitch black, dark. So, I'll head straight to Murdeshwar, and then the plan is basically to do scuba, and then Murdeshwar will go directly to Udupi. So, yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, finally. At 4:30 we started the ride. It's going to take about 1 hour 30 minutes, 30 minutes more, probably like 2 hours to reach to Murdeshwar. And as I said, the plan is just to do scuba diving there, which we have already booked by the way. And the reporting time is actually 7:40, 7:40 or 7:30 something. We have to be available over there before that, and so that's why we are starting so early from Gokarna. It's time to put fuel. I mean, this is the fourth time I'm putting the fuel. There are things that you can see at a certain time. You have to be present at that particular moment to witness it or to enjoy it. I mean, to say, like, this looks so peaceful right now, but unfortunately, we have to be present before 7:30 at Murdeshwar, and so we can't wait. Otherwise, that place was something. Anyways, have to leave somewhere to get somewhere, isn't it? From here, it's just another 5 minutes to reach our destination for the scuba, and thought of taking one short break for coffee. The roads were good, so that's why we were able to cover a lot of distance in a short time. But it was dark, so suggestion would be not to drive too fast because at some places there are diversions, road construction. Yeah, the roads are good, but still. Finished with the coffee, and now we are heading towards the scuba point. We are still a little early, and which is a good thing actually, because we have to find something to place our luggage. At this point, not really sure if we can put it or where we can put it actually. Welcome to Mahatubar Sri Murdeshwar. So another 2 kilometers. So that's the temple. The last time when I came over here, this part was actually under construction. I mean, uh, yes, it was under construction. Yeah. We'll visit here later. That is it. Scuba Spirit. The office is still actually closed. I'm not sure when it is gonna open, but yeah, we are here. That's the temple. That's the Shiva statue. I don't recall if this was in the same silver color the last time when I visited, but Okay.
He'll come in 15 minutes and so he asked us to eat breakfast and come. I am a little hungry. We can if you want to.
So we have placed our luggage inside the office room itself. There's a lot of people coming right now, so it's best that we came early. So 5 of us are actually gonna do this scuba thing, and the other 2 has also joined from Bangalore. They'll be traveling to Udupi after this, and but they'll be traveling separately, and we'll be traveling separately. Probably somewhere here we'll get inside the boat and then we'll travel straight to the Netrani island, which I don't see here. I think it's somewhere past that horizon. Yes.
And we're heading to Netrani Islands around 20 kilometers far away. It's a long way reach there. That means you feel any motion sickness, like vomiting tendency are there. Puke outside the boat only, okay? We are always controlling those buttons are here, okay? You do not press any button without a permission, especially red button. Press the red button very hardly and gently, go like a rocket to surface. When we're diving, you find a mermaid. You try to talk her.
मस्त जोक मारा रे या हंस रे हलकट हंस
The shark, you make excitement. Something was wrong. This came out from the mouth. They'll give back to you. And before taking a breath, make sure there is no water. How will you make sure? You do like this in underwater? You put it back. No, you can't do like that. You are in the underwater. Okay.
See how it's coming.
A few inches later.
Just finished the darshan, and right now we are heading to Marvanti beach, which is just 51 kilometers from here, and from there we'll head straight to Udupi, where we have a room already booked, and that's where we'll meet, and that's where the wedding is basically, and that was the whole purpose of coming to this trip. So yeah, now Marvanti beach and then straight to Udupi. I am pretty hungry right now.
Finally taking our exit from Murdeshwar. Actually, I had to transfer the data that I have in my memory card to the external hard drive. I'm actually running out of space, and that's the only reason I had to spend another 1 hour to get the data transferred from a nearby browsing center. Oh, it's totally hot in here, sweating like anything. Have to get this bike on highway as soon as possible. I can't bear this heat any longer.
बस हवा निकल गई.
Finally, the highway. Ooh, yes. Let's go. Huh. Now it's a straight run to the Marvante beach, which is going to take about an hour. I am not going to stop anywhere at all. Another thing that I have noticed here in this particular area, that women actually waves a lot at riders. A couple of incidents happened to me while I was coming to this highway. Unfortunately, I could not record any of those. But anyways, feels nice. Shit, man, I thought I'll arrive there fast, but look at this traffic. I don't know where am I right now, but there's, see, look at this asshole. Google was showing that I would arrive there within half an hour, but looking at this kind of traffic, I seriously doubt that. There are so many diversions and so much traffic. Watching sunset at Marvante is next to impossible right now, but part of it because we were transferring data. I was transferring data. The assholes driving from the wrong direction is insane. Look at them.
モカちゃんが教えてくれたいろんな見た目になれるアプリなんだって。どれどれ？
And this KSRTC nigga is another thing. Not letting me go, neither himself. Oh shit, look at that. Look at those two mountains. There's cloud on top of it. The sun is going to set soon, and we are still about 26 kilometers, not 26, 24 kilometers away from our destination. For sure, we will miss the sunset. Awesome. We are actually a bit early. Flooded area. I don't see a flooded area. Shit, I cannot turn. Awesome. Fuck it. Hey, son, don't go, man. Anish, jara go. I'll go there probably. Let's see how if I'm able to get this shot. Hey man, there's so much traffic. Perfect. Oh, got some amazing shots. Finally. I was so at edge that I'll miss the sunset. Fortunately, I just made it. So happy right now. Now straight to Udupi. A drone shot would be excellent here. Unfortunately, we don't have a drone. So, anyways, we got what we came here for, and I am happy. So another 7 more minutes, and then I'll be at the hotel. Santosh is already ahead of me, and so as Anish. There's a lot of traffic actually. Not here, behind actually there was a lot of traffic. I was taking my time to go through that mess. At the same time, people will be driving in the wrong direction, that too with a high beam. I mean, where am I supposed to drive, and what am I supposed to look at? Seriously, the fact that driving a two-wheeler is a risk is because of such people. Where is this room, man? There's a lot of twists and turns. I think it is on the main road, but Google Maps have redirected us to this route. It's kind of very congested. I think this is the... Yes. Yo, finally.